I searched for how to buy shares of South Plains Financial Inc. to show the steps. South Plains Financial Inc. is a regional financial services company listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker SPFI. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy any stock, you need a broker account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After you register on the platform, you'll typically need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SPFI to find the listing quickly. Confirm you've selected the correct South Plains Financial Inc. stock from the search results. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to check recent trading activity. Make sure the company name and NASDAQ ticker match so you are viewing the right share. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button. Choose the amount you want to invest, then review the order details carefully and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled to execute when trading resumes. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the order fills, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can track it. Check the description for the link to the platform if you want to explore the process yourself.